Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to export your documents and designs on Affinity in SVG file format. For example, as a vector file in 2026. So, let's get started. SVG is a useful format when you want your design to remain sharp at different sizes. It can be especially helpful for logos, icons, illustrations, website graphics, and files that may need further editing. Head over to your document or design on Affinity. Before exporting, take a quick look at your design and make sure every important element is correctly positioned. It is also a good idea to check that there are no unwanted objects outside the canvas. Click into File in the top left, and once you're done with editing, over your mouse over Export. In other words, move your pointer over the Export option to open the available choices. Click into Export here, and then go through that list of supported file types. Scroll down if needed, and look for SVG, this one here. And then you may narrow down your selection, for example, SVG for export, small size, high quality, and so on and so forth. The best option may depend on how you plan to use the file. A smaller file size can be useful for websites or online sharing, while a higher quality option may be better when preserving detailed shapes is more important. I will go with the first option. You may also go through these settings here. These settings can control how the SVG file is created, so take a moment to review them before continuing. For most basic designs, the default settings should work well. However, more complex designs may include fonts, effects, gradients, or other elements that could appear differently after export. To the right, you'll see the file type here again. This gives you a final chance to confirm that SVG is selected instead of another format, such as PNG, JPEG, or PDF. And what you want to do after that is click into Export. Look for the safety given file on your device. This is where you can choose the folder in which you want to store your exported design. You may want to save it in an easy-to-find location, such as your desktop, Downloads folder, or a dedicated project folder. You will see the file type here, and confirm by clicking into Download or Save here, in your operating system's language, of course. You can also give the file a clear name so that it is easier to identify later, especially when working with several versions of the same design. After saving the file, you can open the selected folder and check that the SVG file appears correctly. You may also open it in a browser or another vector editing program to confirm that the shapes, text, colors, and overall layout were exported as expected. This quick check can help you notice any missing elements or formatting issues before you upload or share the file. And yeah, to export the file or design in SVG file format on your device, that's it guys. You can now use your SVG for websites, digital projects, logo files, scalable graphics, or further editing in compatible software. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.